Okay, here locally, we are dealing with an elevated fire danger. In fact, critical fire danger has led the National Weather Service to issue a red flag warning. This is due to winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting to 30 to 35, low humidity as a result of that west wind, and just the fact that it's dry out there. We haven't had substantial rain in quite some time. We're still dealing with some dry vegetation. It's really just that time of the year also. So keep in mind, just avoid any outdoor burning. Avoid any activities that lead to sparks, and don't park over tall grass. That's a big one that I think a lot of us do forget. That, by the way, in place today between noon and 8. We are also watching that line of showers that came through here now move east of the area. East of North Texas, we are not included in this, but a tornado watch until 4 for East Texas. Already a few warnings in place from East Texas extending into Louisiana and southern Arkansas as we approach the early afternoon hours. Meanwhile, we are seeing drying conditions as that west wind settles in. It's helping push this rain east and out of the area. Still a few little light showers in Collin County. Garland County still seeing a drizzle there, just north of Wiley as well, across portions of northern Collin County. DFW Airport. 5 minutes ago, when I put this slide in here, I could see a little bit of blue sky, not seeing it anymore. But we are going to see the clearing throughout the day. Temperature at DFW right now about 60 degrees. Winds are out of the west, southwest at about 10 miles per hour. Expect the winds to kick up later today, especially about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. 60 degrees right now in Decatur and in Fort Worth, about 64 in Mineral Wells, a little cooler across the north and west with 58 in Archer City and in Wichita Falls. Our winds are also out of the west. That's what's helping bring in that dry air, anywhere between 10 to 20 for our western counties. Speaking of that dry air, I don't talk about this number very often, but it's the dew point. The lower this number is, the drier our air is. And right now, that number is in the mid-20s across our western counties along the I-35 corridor in the mid-40s. But we look at this number when we're talking about days with critical fire danger. Again, very dry air settling in. Afternoon high temperature of about 71 in Fort Worth and in Denton, 72 in Dallas, 68 in Breckenridge and in Graham. You're probably thinking, wait, didn't the cold front come through? Yes, it did, but that cooler air is taking some time to filter in completely. We won't notice it all the way until tomorrow. Again, over the last 6 hours, we've noticed really some drying out, and we'll continue to see that as this moves to the east. Now, this system, again, we'll continue to see that potential for severe storms along the south. Meanwhile, cool air starts to filter in tonight. We may see a little cloud cover as a result. Temperature, by the way, tomorrow, only 59 degrees. Our next opportunity for rain happens Saturday. Highs this weekend in the 50s. Chris.
All right. Thank you, Marielle.